Hello and bonjour. My name is Denise and I am Chez Moi Creations. I want to welcome you here. I hope you enjoy your stay. I'm new here, so I'm nervous. So be patient with me. If you've never subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell, and you'll never miss a video. I'm hoping to do this on a regular basis every Thursday afternoon. So if life allows it, we're going to do that. So let's get started. Hello and bonjour. It is Denise from Chez Moi Creations, and I want to welcome you here to my little channel. So today I want to show you this little 3x3 Happy Mother's Day card. I did some painting with my Stampin' Blends so that I could change the colors of my faceted gems along with my rhinestones. So let's get started. I used the sentiment for the one that I'm going to put together using Happy Birthday, and I used the Timeless Tulips stamp set and the Magic of TV. It's all done. I used this die right there. I'm not in focus here. Let's pull it out. That would be way easier. Work smarter, not harder? Something like that. This die right here from the Ornate Frames. I love this set. It is so versatile. So that's what we used. I used an oldie but goodie for the inside of my card. As you can see, my Mother's Day card, I've got these little hearts. So sweet. Old retired set. That guy right there. From Sealed with Love. Crackle Paint is my background. Use the sweet little flower from Daisy Lane. So of course, used the punch as well. Why is this one here? Not sure. Did not use Thoughtful Blooms. Here's Rococo Rose, such a beautiful color. And then again, along with my Rococo Rose Stampin' Blends. Let's put this little guy away because he's done. And Sahara Sand was my background for my Crackle Paint. So here we go with the Magic of TV. 3x6, scored at 3. So there's my card base. Here's a little Rococo Rose panel. And I did 2 and... what did I do? I should have written this down. 2 5/8 by 2 5/8. So then my crackle was just a smidge smaller. And I'm just going to take my Tombow. I love my Tombow. Whoops, that's a little much. Let's get a little bit of glue on there. I like to keep my Tombow upside down, and I actually put it in one of these little tins. Tea bags used to be in there, but this is how I house my Tombow on my desk. I'm going to take my Crackle Paint and just get that onto the panel. I cut 2 of these darling flowers using Blackberry Bliss. And again, grab my Tombow. This was scrap. You can tell it was already stamped. I don't want to get glue on my table here. I usually work with my silicone sheet and I didn't grab it. I'm just going to wiggle that on to where I want it. That's why I love Tombow. I get this wiggle room with it. There we go. There we go. I'm going to grab a dimensional. Pop that on there. I'm just going to put that in the corner. So if you'd like to place an order, this is my host code. And I will be placing an order on, I guess it doesn't matter if you use the host code, you can place the order whenever you want. But you know what? The second release for Celebration is coming out on the 3rd of March. So hold up, use that host code and place an order and get some freebies. I will have some info down below after this video. This is my blog. If you'd love to pop in, I'd love to see you. Blogspot.com, Shamewa Creations. And if you want to shop online, there's my shopping store. So I'm just going to take my Rococo Rose, color that up. Come on, little guy. Dimensionals behind my sentiment. But you know what I want to do? I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to take some of my metallic thread. This is the silver. This is how I like to do it. There's so many different ways, but this is, for me, what I have found the easiest. I put the beginning of the thread in the middle of this finger, and I hold it down, and I use 3 fingers, and I give myself a little bit of wiggle room. 2, 3, I hold it, give it a little snip. Because of that wiggle room, I have lots of room to get my fingers out of there. Whoop. And then I just put that down. Grab my thread, put it down. That's it. That's how I do it. And because the thread is there, this probably is not necessary, but I don't want my card to come apart. I always put a little dab of Tombow on top of that after the fact. I'm going to grab this, and I am just going to slip that under. Some Tombow. I don't want to be upside down here on my card. So I just, whoa. There we go. Grab my Rococo Rose once again. I want to color in 2 of my rhinestones. That's the beauty. You can take your Stampin' Blends, you can color your rhinestones, your faceted gems, any color that you want. So here I'm using Rococo Rose. Everything just goes together. Another big, beautiful plus with Stampin' Up. You've got all of the colors you need, and you can create a new color to go with whatever you're doing. And you know what? There is my 3x3 complete. I hope you enjoyed that. So fun. Thanks for popping by, and I hope you pop by again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye, and have a blessed day.